how long is like an approximate time for someone to go through all the question? Is it like in weeks or is it in months?
Great question. So the shortest videos, learning videos, could be as short as 10 minutes. The longer ones are really pushing past an hour, but there's few of those. On average, a video is somewhere around 15 to 20 minutes. Or 20 plus minutes. And then in terms of the exercises, again, some of them are very short. Some of them could be like literally 5 minutes. And other ones, of course, depends on how long you want to spend on it. The more time you spend on it, the richer it'll be. I will say from the live, when we do it on a live workshop experience, in general, the longest exercises usually take people about 45 minutes. And that's people like, working hard. There are people, of course, that spend a lot longer, but they're very meticulous in doing things in a very meticulous way. So what I'll say is for each of the traits, and there's 12 of them, on average, you can look at it being maybe between 30 minutes to about an hour plus per trait, including exercises. Okay. And so that's for 12 traits. So in total, you can imagine that being probably, 12 plus hours of viewing and work if you're pretty good at it, pretty consistent at it. If you are consistent in doing it, like you can manage your time and you can set aside a good amount of time, let's say doing one per day or one every other day. I would say every other day is probably ambitious. Let's say you do, one every half week, right? So like you're gonna finish a pillar in probably 2 weeks to 3 weeks if you're pretty good, which is a fair pace, And so you can expect to finish the accelerator probably in about 2 months at that pace. And I think that's a fair time because what we find to be also very beneficial is people like to do the work and then they go away, and they process it. Like there's a lot that happens subconsciously. And then you come back and you look at it again and new things will pop up. So this is also one of the benefits of doing it this way. It allows people to work and not be rushed to push forward, but work, sit back, process, and then come back and do it again. But in terms of the larger span, it really depends on how much time you have to invest each time. But you can expect anywhere between a month to 2 months to complete the entire accelerator.